Keto pancakes. Pancakes for dinner? Why not? Ready in minutes and super satisfying. These Keto delights work for any meal, so fire up a warm skillet and get cooking. Ingredients: 1. 2/3 ounce pork rinds. 2 eggs. 3. 2 tablespoons unsweetened cashew milk. 4. 1 teaspoon maple extract. 5. 1 teaspoon ground cinnamon. 6. 2 tablespoons coconut oil, for frying. Instructions: 1. Place the pork rinds in a blender and pulse until ground into a fine powder. Add the rest of the ingredients and combine until smooth. 2. Heat a skillet to medium heat. Once hot, add a tablespoon of coconut oil. 3. Pour 1/4 cup batter into the skillet. Fry until golden brown and set. About 2 minutes. Flip and continue to cook until cooked all the way through. 4. Remove from skillet and repeat with remaining batter. Add more coconut oil as needed. Tip: add brown butter or a dollop of sour cream for a finishing touch. And a few fresh raspberries add festive color and a tart but sweet finish. Enjoy! This recipe is part of a collaboration with Maria Emmerich, a best-selling American cookbook author.